Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ambreen and today I'm going to do a really easy video. Okay, this camera is my old camera and it's seriously playing up, so God knows what's going to happen to it. Basically, as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm going to quickly show you guys how I like to do my face when I go to the gym. Now clearly we say when you go into the gym you're going to sweat, you know, you're going to basically... You're there to be physical, so really it shouldn't matter how you look. But sometimes it's nice to not look like a dead zombie, which tends to happen with me and my bags. So I'm going to tell you guys the little tiny tips and tricks that I do to kind of look decent, or even half decent, for when I go to the gym. So by the way, if I sound really nasally, it's because I have a blocked nose and my throat is killing. You probably won't even be able to tell, but it is. And I've got this really ugly, disgusting spot on my face, which is really doing my head in because I've had it for a week. You know, that time of the month. But it doesn't seem to be giving way at all. And I'm starting to get irritated to the point where I just want to, you know, poke it and prod it to death. But I'm holding my patience in. Okay, so first of all, the first thing that I do in the morning is... well, actually, hold on a second. I don't always go to the gym in the morning. That's a lie. I tend to go after work, and when that's the case, really I can't do anything about the makeup I applied in the morning. Half of it's probably gone by the time I get to the gym. So what I used to do is take some makeup removing cotton pads. I love the Primark ones, I can't find them anymore, and I just used to wipe off my foundation and then go in so that way my pores are not getting blocked. But it just got to a point where I was just like, you know what, I can't be bothered, I'm not getting crazy spots, so don't even bother. So I wouldn't recommend that, but if you can control it and you have a good skincare routine when you get back from work, like, you know, when after you've had your workout, then you should be fine. Really, you should be alright. But if you can avoid it, avoid it. What I tend to do, this is on like Saturdays, because I tend to go in the mornings on Saturdays, so I go through with my normal skincare routine, which is, first of all, I spray my face with my homemade or my DIY toner, which is rose water and glycerin. So simple and so easy. If you want to watch that video, I'll link it down below, or put it in the eye up here. I'm pretty sure it's there. So first I spray my face with this. I'm going to spray this as much as I want to until I feel nice and fresh. And can I tell you something? That actually tastes nice as well because of the glycerin, because glycerin is sweet. So I just tap that into my skin and wipe it across it till it dries, and my skin feels a lot more moisturized. And then after that I will wake up my eyeballs with this. It's just a standard cucumber eye roll on that I got from Home Bargains for 99p a pound, and it's so nice and cooling, and there's caffeine in this, which is fantastic because it kind of helps with depuffing the eyes. That cooling sensation from the metal roll on is so good. So then I go with my face cream. I go with my simple moisturiser. I have this turned upside down because this is a different packaging. I got it from Poundland. They were $1.50, which is probably the reason why this has like this kind of lid, because the normal simple one doesn't, and I don't like it, to be honest. So I'll squirt out this much and whoops, pop it all over my face, even down my neck and around my neck. And I love this moisturiser. It's my favourite moisturiser in the whole wide world because it does what it's supposed to do, moisturize my skin. It's not too much to the point of making my skin oily, and it's not too less to the point of making my skin dry, and it doesn't break me out. So that's 10 out of 10 for me. I love the skincare range of Simple. Then I'll go in with my sun cream, and the sun cream I'm using at the moment is the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream. Oh my god, there's only half left in here. What's going on? I only just got this as well. COSRX is from COSRX. It's the Aloe Soothing Sun Cream, SPF 50, because you need your SPF no matter what you're doing. So I'll get a bit of that and put it all over my face. Then moving on to the makeup portion, because my face is all, you know, decent now. I will go in with my eyebrows first because look at this and look at that. No thank you, ma'am. I do not feel confident in these eyebrows, so Yes, I'm filling them in. I'm going in with this pencil. This is a Korean eyebrow pencil. Drawing eyebrow hard pencil from Etude, and I really love this. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Shiseido hard pencil. Can't even remember what it's called. So I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows with this quite gently. I'm not going to try and be precise at all. Just use whatever eyebrow pencil or whatever eyebrow product you use. I just generally have to fill in my eyebrows no matter what I'm doing. Even if like I'm going to the shops or something, I need some eyebrow. Look at that, I already look 10 times, a million times better. I love this eyebrow pencil so much. It's such a goof proof pencil. You really need to get it if you struggle to do your brows. I'm going to take this concealer. Everyone probably knows this. It's the Revolution concealer. This is a supersized version of the Conceal and Define, and I love this one, especially the shade 10. Perfect for my under eyes. It's a tiny bit dark, but I feel like it conceals my eye and dry bags perfectly like no other concealer. I'm going to pat just like one dot here and one dot there. You saw that, yeah? I'm going to use my ring finger, and you watch how far this goes. You can even take it onto the eyelid if you want. Like I even try to pat it around my nose too. Like just take it as far as you can. And literally I will try and drag it down as much as possible, and you need to remember that you are going to be sweating so much, so really there's no point, because you'll be like wiping your face and everything with a towel. That's if you do. Something I forgot before the concealer is to prime. Guys, if you can prime, it adds a layer. It adds a nice layer without you having to do much. So I'm taking this one from Primark. I don't really like it, but I'm trying to use it up. It's the matte primer, oil free mattifying skin primer, so I'm assuming it will be a bit helpful with the sweat. And I'll just put it around the areas where I sweat. So actually it doesn't even matter if I apply it now, because I haven't really got much concealer there. This is so watery, by the way. It does work, but it just doesn't seem to hold when I put like foundation on top. And that means we're nearly done. I'm going to get my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in translucent. I'm going to pat this under the eyes and just around the face, just to give a tiny bit of coverage somewhere and mattify everything, because you're going to look dewy anyway when you hit the gym. No! Okay, I love this powder, but I hate the packaging. So lastly, this is the lip balm I've been taking with me, and I've always been using. It's a Raspberry Ripple Lip Balm from Primark, and this retails for £2. I did get it for £1. And it looks like this. It's the hot pink colour, but it doesn't come off hot pink. It just gives you a little nice tint, a bit of moisturization, and you just look all round decent. Now me, I don't go with no lenses on. I wear my glasses so it doesn't look so bad, but right now I can't see anything, so this basically evades anybody looking under my eye bags and stuff like that, and it kind of like everyone looks at my glasses instead of my face because of it. But yeah, God, I feel like I'm getting blind just looking through there. But that's what I tend to do. But if I was going like this, I'd be so okay with going to the gym like this, put together, you know. It's just easy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope these tips and tricks helped you. If you have any tips and tricks, please leave them down below. Let me know what you actually do when you go to the gym. Do you wear makeup? Do you not wear makeup? Can you even be bothered? Should you even wear makeup? Let's discuss that down below. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. So you subscribe down below, click on the button, press the notification bell so you're notified of any other videos I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Yeah, just to take my skin further, just to take my face a little bit further, a step further. That doesn't even make sense. Speak English. Hold on a second. And it's so convenient, there's no name on it. I'm not gonna apply that, that's a joke.